At the restaurant. Starter.
Starter.
We had a starter before our main course. Main course.
Main course. We had beef as our main course.
Side dish.
Side dish.
I'll have the fish with a side dish of chips. Dessert.
Dessert. I ordered the chocolate cake for dessert.
Cutlery.
Cutlery.
I eat my burger with my hands, so I don't need cutlery. Napkin.
Napkin. I put my napkin on my lap and started eating.
Reservation.
Reservation.
Can you make a reservation for a table at 6? Waiter.
Waiter.
Waitress.
Waitress. I asked the waiter for another beer.
Customer.
Customer.
The customers asked the waiter for the menu. Menu.
Menu. There are many dishes on the menu.
Beverage.
Beverage.
You can find all our beverages on the drinks menu. Specials.
Specials. Our specials today are chicken lasagna and salmon.
Order.
Order.
I'll be back soon with your order. Bill.
Check. After we finished eating, we asked the waiter for our check.
Tip.
Tip.
We gave our waiter a £5 tip for the service. Eat out.
Eat out. We didn't have any food at home, so we decided to eat out.
Book a table.
Book a table.
Can I book a table for 4 for tonight? Recommend.
Recommend. Are there any dishes that you'd recommend?
Pay the bill.
Pay the check.
If you're finished, let's pay the bill and go home. Leave a tip.
Leave a tip. We always leave a tip when the service is good.